Hey guys, welcome back. We're back at Dollar Tree. Let's see what DIY we can come up with today. I have been eyeing these trucks and have been wanting to do a craft with them. There's so many ideas you can use this truck with, and Dollar Tree has 11 by 14 canvas. So stay tuned and watch to the end because there is a fun surprise. Before we get into this craft, let me first show you Colorshot's premium spray paints. They were kind enough to send me one of their PR boxes. I have been using the spray paint for a couple of years now and the quality does not disappoint. They also carry acrylic paints and now they are in select Walmart stores. How exciting! Be sure to check out your local Walmart to see if they carry Colorshot. I'm sure you're going to be just as obsessed as I am. These are the colors that they sent me. I got Cosmo, Speeding Ticket, and Wine Stain. Like, they are the perfect Valentine's Day shades. I'm going to pick up a Speeding Ticket and start the craft. I think this turned out so cute. I will be sure to link some of the products used down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and for more videos like this, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out. And guys, if you made it this far, Colorshot was kind enough to send me another PR box. I will be choosing one winner to win the set. Read the description for all the details, and I will see you guys in the next video.